Hey guys, I'm Savvy and I'm a travel blogger from India. So right now I am in Palolem beach in South Goa. That, my friend, is the room, the bed, the bathroom, and the best part is the view from the room. Wow, it's no less than Seychelles actually. Isn't it cool? And I see the Palolem beach there. So we are in Palolem beach right now in South Goa, but first is shopping. So as it is our basic funda, whenever we come to Goa, we basically do the shopping first and then wear those stuffs for the entire trip. So I'm in front of my favorite shop. I'm going to pick up a lot of stuffs. Let's see. So we just got one card. Yeah, so there is a party in Leopard Valley. Are we going there?
Are we going there? I was asking the same question.
See, there is a reason why I love Palolem beach so much. In fact, everybody loves Palolem beach in South Goa. There are many colorful huts. These accommodations all behind me, you see, a little bit colorful, all facing the beach, and the coconut trees all along. There are many fishermen boats on the beach, and especially for the girls, if you really want to take that very pretty shots with the colorful boats, Palolem is the beach. We are trying to take some perfect shots, you see?
And this is the perfect time at Palolem beach because the sunset is right in front of us.
Hold me tight, where have you gone? Is it you?
This evening I'm trying Feni for the first time. My god, it's very strong. It feels like everything is burning inside. So we chose this roadside restaurant. It's very famous here. Another big reason why we did not choose the shacks along the beach, because we always do that. And we did find very big fishes like red snapper, lemon fish, squid, etc. Here the sizes are really big. So yeah, let's see how it comes. Guys, we started little late today because we were relaxing. We started relaxing since last evening, this morning, and we are completely refreshed to explore South Goa. But most importantly, we are going to take you to a secret place which I'll keep for the later part of the video. Let's see. Oh my god, it's very hot outside, so just buying something to cover myself. Agonda beach. There are many accommodations over here which you can book from booking.com, Trivago, etc. And also you can come for a walk, sit in the shack. So this time we are not staying in Agonda beach, we are staying in Palolem. As you know, you will find a lot of foreigners specifically going to the beach and having a great time.
And this time in South Goa we don't have any specific plans. We are just exploring this place and we are just hopping around from one beach to another beach.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Ola Beach. Okay, this was new to us. We did not know that this is such a pretty small beach. And look what we found. This is a backwater basically right in front of the beach.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm so
Let's have lunch here at least. I'm seriously hungry now.
chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
So we are right now in Kola Beach and we so loved the beach. Are we going to stay here next time? Yeah, definitely. So after a great time in the beach, right now we are going to the secret place that we mentioned in the morning. So it is basically a very old and a huge banyan tree, and I have heard that it's 2000 years old and can accommodate almost 1000 people in its shade. So it's kind of interesting for us and we really wanted to check it out ourselves, that how big it is. So I'm really excited.
It's one of the mysterious places in Goa. So we really want to see it with our eyes. How is it?
Have you been there before?
No, never. This is for the first time I'm going there. So we have to find where is it exactly.
Yes, so kind of we are trying to look out for it. But oh yes, this is not bad. Huh? They say that there used to be a temple over here, very old one, but now because it was causing some damage or for some other reason, it's been removed. We are right now in our resort. That's in one corner of the Palolem beach in the Pacific Sunset View Resorts, the beach huts basically. We don't want to miss the sunset from here, and yes, here we are. We are back before the sunset time. Right in front of me, I am witnessing this beautiful sunset. Okay, so after enjoying a beautiful sunset, we had to come back to the main Palolem market area because I forgot to buy some bottom wear, and I wonder why Anki agreed to come with me. Maybe because he was missing the Goan style fish curry which he could not find since morning today. Is that the reason?
No, I came here for your shopping.
Never ever it happened that he came for my shopping, okay? Hey, good morning guys. So this morning we are going to do something really interesting. We used to do this 2-3 years back frequently. We used to ask any fisherman boat to take us to the smaller islands over there, but now it has become more popular. So every boatman is taking you for this adventure basically. You can ask anyone over here in Palolem beach in South Goa. So basically we will take a boat and we will go to the different beaches like Butterfly Beach, Honeymoon Beach, and most interesting part, we might also spot dolphins. डॉल्फिन देखने को मिलता है क्या?
डॉल्फिन दिखता है?
हाँ दिखेगा, थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ता है। अभी क्या है, वो एक ही जगह पे नहीं मिल रहा है, नेचुरली है ना, किधर भी जा सकते हैं।
अच्छा। Right now we are out to spot the dolphin. If you spot any dolphin behind us, just let us know. We are looking at the camera and we missed the dolphin.
We love sailing activity and we somehow find sailing activity here and there all over the world. Oh, we spotted dolphins. Just see in my bag, we are about to reach the Butterfly Beach. So there are two options. One is Butterfly Beach, one is Honeymoon Beach. Whichever we find less crowded, we are going to get in over there and have some great time in the beach. So we found our favorite corner in Butterfly Beach and we are going to spend some great time over here. Ready?
Ah, ready for everything.
We did choose to get down in the Butterfly Beach. We had a great time. It's my bag. This is the Honeymoon Beach. We are probably not going to get down over there, but let's go closer and have a look. Anki found the place where he used to come for lunch 10 years back. So he felt nostalgic and now he's, where is he?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, तुझे भूख लगी थी इसलिए रुका हूँ यहाँ.
Shut up, I know. Always craving for Goan fish curry, Goan fish curry. If we do not find it in shacks or good restaurants, we have to come to these authentic ones. So his favorite fish curry is here. Wow. Looks tasty, yeah? Looks yum.